Alright guys, my updated bike check. I just got a new frame. I don't remember if my wheels were in my last bike check or not, but yeah, they're brand new too. My new frame is a Colony Descendant, it's the 2012 model, and a 20.85 top tube. I traded my low cut for it just because it was a little bit too big. The low cut was a 21.25 top tube, so I got the Colony 24/7 bars and a 8.9 rise, 29.5 width. I went into my local bike shop and they had a pair in chrome, so I picked them up. ODI grips, some screw-on bar ends. The ODIs just break off real quick. Flybike's Alta top load, hasn't slipped on me yet, so to me it's a good stem. Let's see, carbon headset spacers, stock headset, Kink Foundation 32mm offset forks. My front rim's a black chrome Demolition Zero rim with bright red shadow spokes and purple Demolition Phantom. Just sweet ass hub. My front tire's a Demolition Momentum 2.35. I have the Eastern Crown pedals. They are super grippy. Never had a problem with them. They're a little bit loose right now, but cranks Eastern Tribes and raw titanium spindle bolts. See, I don't know if you can see here, but yeah, right there I got a titanium sprocket bolt in purple too. Stolen revolver, bottom bracket. Back rim Demolition Zero black chrome again, laced to a Primo Remix left-hand drive. The purple shadow axle nuts. Purple KMC chain. Sucks. See, band budsaw 25/2 sprocket. It's real thick. I don't have to worry about that thing bending. My back tire is a Demolition Momentum 2.2. I could fit a 2.35 in there, but the low cut couldn't, so my seat's a Primo fat seat, and it's got a stolen Thermalite seat post. I have a animal wedge coming. I'm gonna cut that seat post down. But yeah, that's it. It's my new bike. I love it so far.